What is good, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. It feels like it's been a freaking minute, okay, since I traded. I didn't trade Thursday, didn't trade Friday, and I wasn't expecting to trade today, but TJR was on the charts, so you know your boy had to get in there, okay? Right, you guys see this great move we caught today? Psych! We did not catch this shit, okay? We actually did not take a trade today as much as I wanted to and really would have loved to trade here. And should have taken a trade here. I didn't, okay? I'm not going to bullshit with you guys, okay? So we made a. Fuck me. We made an SMT divergence here. And that kind of had my. You know. My bias going short. I was short on the day, right? If I see like an SMT with my confluence, I should just be like, all right, let's get shorts. For some reason, I was just scared because of this open, and we were down like 1.5%. I don't know why I look at that, but I do. Like saying that it might not move further, but like I don't know. I don't think I should look at that. Like I was like, how much lower should we go? And I should just have bearish like pretty much every day, just because Trump and the tariffs and just this market. Nonetheless, so we made an SMT. Okay. After we broke structure here, I would have loved if we didn't break structure. I probably would have been just full shorts, and I would have probably taken this. But I was a little nervous because we had also formed here a higher high on here and a lower high on NQ. So that had me a little nervy. Um, but definitely didn't really matter, right? We saw price, right? Obviously, like okay, well, if we get a trace somewhere and then we get selling pressure out of it, are we gonna like break back up? You know. So what I should have done, which is I believe the trade TJR took, I have not watched this trade recap, was simply just a close out of this SMT. So here's the SMT. And he probably just waited for a break of structure. So honestly, he probably. Nope, it's not 940 yet. He probably just entered off of this candle because we were in bearish structure. If I had to guess. Stop here. Target here. And here. Right? I marked out this previous week low that we were going to be chasing for sure. Would have been a good trade. Would have made real money, guys. I've been playing so soft playing. I don't know why it's not a game. But I've been trading very scared, if you want to call it that. Right? I don't know what it is, but it's real money on the line. I got to learn with the emotion of it. But if you have a strategy and you trade your strategy over and over and over again and it's proven to work, okay, then the odds are it's going to be in your favor, right? Like you can't let the little emotion get in the way. You need to literally trade like a robot. And that's something I've been dealing with. I haven't been like doing yet, and I really want to see myself, do that. I mean, and again, like, let me get into why I didn't take the trade. Right? We also see boom into this fair value gap. Boom, selling pressure out of it. Like that's just textbook. Boom, another into this fair value gap, selling pressure out of it. Like it was free. I'm not gonna lie. And what I saw, instead of playing off this SMT divergence, I waited for equilibrium to get hit, which as you can see, this 0.5 gets hit here. And I entered off of, I should have entered off of this short candle here. I don't know why I didn't, okay? I was in class, right? Don't freaking get mad at me, bro. And I entered a long here. What the fuck? Right, I should have entered here, stop here. No, I think I would have done stop. Yeah, no, I definitely have my stops here. and I would have just targeted. Yeah, okay, it was like a one. Yeah, $1.04, and I didn't enter off this. So what happened was I saw this candle. I was waiting for a close out down, but I saw it come all the way up here with like maybe like 10 seconds on the candle, and I was like, oh shit, maybe we're going up. Then I looked at a 5 minute, right, and I'm just like seeing the whole picture of the 5 minute, and I'm like, I like maybe took a look at NQ. I come back, bro. That candle closed, and I'm like, shit. And then I'm like, do I enter? And then this move started happening, and I didn't get in. So, rather unfortunate for me. I mean, this shit literally would have been a freaking 3 minute trade, and I would have made 2 bands. So I'm obviously pissed. All right, I learned from it. We're gonna be better tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we have a trading day. At 10, we have job openings. So we'll see. And then Wednesday and Thursday, definitely off limits. And Friday, will most likely be trading. So it's unfortunate, right? I mean, we could have really got this funded getting going. But we learned, you know? And I take this as a learning moment. Not only because I didn't lose money, and that's a good thing, but I kind of get to reflect and understand that, you know, it's not easy, first of all, and, like, this is going to be an up and down journey, right? But also, like, I'm going to have days where I'm not going to win, you know, and to come out of it with no lost money is good, but it's also the fact that I get to reflect and just like see what could have happened, and next time remember this and use this as information when I'm, you know, seeing the market. Because like, man, it's, yeah, we broke to the upside on ES, right? But then we come down. And then even though, like, this move up, like, and we didn't break structure to the downside, like, this is from this move to this low. Nope, I lied. From this low to this high, we closed below 79% Fibonacci. And I saw that. And I just didn't execute on the 1 minute. It was really weird. I was definitely scared for sure, but it's good. You know, we gotta stick to our plan and just trust it, dude. Like over and over, it's like consistently, it's gonna work, right? It's gonna work. So that's gonna wrap up today's trading recap. Okay, the market has been dumping ever since this trade, right? Like literally vertically downward. Had a little bit of a rebound, retracement, and have been selling off since. So, I mean, this is pretty crazy. We've been seeing like, I think we saw a 4% drop today on NASDAQ. Like, look how steep this is. I mean, look, from when we recently just came up to all-time highs, we're a good little, you know, we're even lower than that. We're freaking 15% from all-time highs. It's a pretty hefty crash, 13.55%. All right, we just filled in this imbalance. So, I don't know. As much as I think, you know, and I want to see a rotation up to get some kind of, like, you know, retracement, I don't know. I just, with the whole, you know, scare, I don't know. We might be coming to chase some of this liquidity around here, right? But I don't know. Unless there's like, you know, a huge recession, I don't see us coming down like further than that. But it's very well possible. So yeah, kind of a longer video, guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully with a winning trade. Peace.